Stadium, where Rugby World Cup 2019 enters the medal phase, with New Zealand and Wales battling it out for bronze in warm but without any humidity whatsoever, meaning finding Moonga. Dummies, now holds it up for Reid, tips it off for Retallick, has Mooney on the hip, Joe Mooney, try! Mooney living that prop kind of life from 22 out.
Complete New Zealand this evening. Brodie Retallick.
How about the pass from Aaron Smith to Ben Smith? Ben Smith has his second. Smith to Smith. Try New Zealand. Brought down and passed to Bigger. Goes out the back and in comes Geordie Barrett. Beauden Barrett's on his hip. Geordie Barrett. Where's Ben Smith? Still Geordie Barrett. Lovely ball for Beauden Barrett. His strides. And that is that. To finish, they will grab a medal to take home. Full time, 40 points to 17 over Wales.